Hey there, I hope you're doing well. I'm Layla Stella, and you're watching Speak Real English. I just want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for being part of this amazing and ever-growing Speak Real English community. You've made this past year truly special. Your enthusiasm, dedication, and continued interest in learning English have inspired me more than I can express. As we move forward, I'm genuinely excited to share even more with you and help you make consistent progress with your English journey. One thing I've heard from many of you is a desire for more practical English advice, more engaging content, and more opportunities to learn every day. That's why I've put together something new and exciting. I've designed a course that allows you to map out your own English study plan. It's flexible and self-paced so you can fit it into your life comfortably. But it's also meant to challenge you and encourage you to make English a daily part of your world. The course includes regular lessons that fit smoothly into your lifestyle so that learning doesn't feel like a burden, but rather something you look forward to every single day. Before we dive into what's ahead, I want to reflect on what we've achieved together over the past year. Our community has grown beyond 20,000 members across YouTube and the podcast platforms. The podcast is now available on iTunes and Stitcher, and it has become a fantastic way for so many of you to take English with you wherever you go. Whether you're heading to work, going to school, taking a walk, or working out at the gym, you've made English part of your routine, and that's incredible. Personally, I enjoy listening to language podcasts when I'm on the move. It keeps me motivated, and I know it's doing the same for you. Last year also marked the launch of the 50 Fixes for English Fluency course, which was an exclusive, limited-time opportunity. I'm thrilled with the positive feedback it received. Creating these courses takes a lot of time and energy, and I always strive to deliver the best for you. While I'm far from perfect, I believe in giving my absolute best to help you succeed. I pour my heart into every lesson because your progress means everything to me. My philosophy is to aim for steady growth rather than chasing an unrealistic idea of perfection. Another highlight from this past year was our collaboration with italki.com, a platform I personally recommend for one-on-one English sessions with experienced tutors. While I'm not offering private lessons myself, I've tried out the service and can vouch for the quality of the teachers there. And yes, there's a special Speak Real English community discount available through my official page. On a more personal note, I had the chance to travel to some amazing cities, including Tokyo, Hanoi, and Ho Chi Minh. What made these trips even more meaningful was meeting some of you in person. These face-to-face meetups filled my heart with joy and gave me a deeper appreciation for our global community. I'm hoping that in the coming year I'll get to visit more cities and connect with more of you around the world. Traveling not only allows us to see new places but also teaches us valuable lessons about different ways of life and broadens our perspective far beyond our own culture and language. Looking ahead, one of my main goals is to grow the Speak Real English community to even greater numbers. I also want to keep improving the quality of our lessons, both visually and in terms of sound, so you always have a top-notch learning experience. You can expect fresh weekly content on YouTube and the podcast. This consistent stream of new material will help keep your motivation high and your learning steady. I know many of you are independent learners. That's why I aim to provide tools and strategies that empower you to take charge of your own progress. One approach I recommend is setting SMART goals. These are goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, reasonable, and bound by time. When a goal is specific, it's clear and focused. Measurable means you can track your progress with numbers or milestones. Achievable means the goal fits into your current lifestyle. Reasonable means it's realistic for you. And putting a time frame on it helps keep you motivated and on track. For example, instead of saying you want to learn more English, a SMART goal might be learn 100 new words in 20 days or practice speaking for 15 minutes daily. This structure gives you clarity and a sense of purpose. I'll be sharing tips to help you set and stick to your own SMART goals throughout the year. And yes, we'll be working on this together every step of the way. Let's also talk about some common language tips that can make a big difference in your fluency. One mistake I often hear involves using hope and wish incorrectly. These words may seem similar, but they are used in different contexts. Hope is about the present or future. For instance, I hope to improve my English this year. On the other hand, wish expresses regret or something we didn't do in the past. Like, I wish I had started studying earlier. Understanding the difference can really sharpen your communication skills and make you sound more natural when you speak. These are just a few examples of what you can expect in the lessons I'll be offering. Whether it's grammar corrections, vocabulary expansion, or pronunciation improvement, everything is designed to move you closer to fluency. If you join the course, we'll cover important topics like these in depth. You'll also get regular assignments to practice what you learn and build lasting confidence. Finally, I want to say thank you once again for being part of this amazing learning journey. It's not about being perfect. It's about making steady, meaningful progress every day. That's the mindset we'll carry into the new year together. Let's grow, let's challenge ourselves, and let's enjoy the process. Come join me, stay connected, and take advantage of the special offers available through the community. Let's make this the best year yet for your English learning journey. Talk to you again soon.